and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I upload. So Ipsy has come, and this is July. Like, they are getting so much better shipping out their creator packages. I'm super excited about that. I have 3 items. It's obvious that one is the Glam Bag, and then we have the Boxycharm, and I'm guessing this might be Refreshments. I'm not sure. I did peek into the first 2, but not that one. So let's go ahead and dive right in and see what we got. Let's start with the $13 bag. Okay, so in here, oh, we got 2 of the same bag. Well, that's cool. I do like these drawstring bags. They're kind of neat. You get like 5 deluxe size samples, and I think once in a while you get a full size item too in here. So let's see what we got. Oh, isn't there a new e.l.f. primer out? Is that what this is? Hang on. What do we have? e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Isn't that the new one? Is that the new one? That might be the new one. Okay, let's try this baby out. Obviously, I cannot do it on my face, but I can do it on the back of my hand. Hi. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but oh, it's like jelly. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting that. I don't know. I don't really even know what I was expecting, to be honest with you. See the difference? Okay, so, and it's drying down. All right, so we'll give that a few minutes. Then we have, what do we have? We have a little quad by Lottie London. There's some nice neutral colors in here. That's cool. That's cool. Can we open her? Does she open? Yeah, but she has plastic. Give me a minute. Okay, here's Miss Lottie London. These are cute. So you have like, well, neutrals. You have 2 mattes and then you have 2 shimmers. Alrighty, good travel size. That's why I like the deluxe samples. Traveling, only reason. Okay, then we have an eyeliner, Liquid Kohl. Of course, again, it has a package. It's, you know, it's sealed and there we go. Ooh, it's a marker. Okay, should we try it on the grip? No, that's still sticky. All right, let's do it on here. All right, so it's a black liquid liner. Next, we have by Mud Masky. What are you? Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask pH Balanced. Pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and clarifying. Okay, it's asking a lot. All right, let's see. Yeah, another seal. I do like safety seals, but not when I'm trying to open them. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit. Okay, so that is what that looks like. Let's put it down here. Oh, okay. Right here. Can you see it? That is where I put it, right? Right here? Yeah, right there. Yeah, it really didn't do anything. I don't know. We'll have to try that again. All right, and the last thing is a brush. Who is this by? Toy Factory. It kills me, that name, Toy Factory. I mean, like, are we selling toys? Okay. I don't like There we go. So we have a standard blending brush. That's cute. Oh, but it's one of those that's floppy. I don't like floppy brushes. I like ones like this. And you might be saying that looks the same, but it's totally not. I promise you. Like this here, I could totally work with a shadow. This one, see what I mean? I don't like it. Like, that's not gonna work. Okay, so let's recap. We got the brush, the black liner, the pore refining clay. Oh, it says clay mask. It's not a primer. It's a mask. All right. Then we have Lottie London shadows and the e.l.f. grip primer grip, power grip. Okay, which is still super sticky, so I'm not really sure how that's going to work out. All right, so that's everything I got in my $13 bag. Now we need to move on to the next package. And by the way, I've been sweating so much at night that I have to take my sheets off and wash them, and I didn't want to wait to make my bed to do this video, so y'all understand, right? All right, so let's open this. I think they're Refreshments came in a ballot. Yeah, that's what this looks like. Okay, so can they not get rid of it? Are we getting refreshments now? I don't know. All right, so we have the dazzling 5-blade razor kit. Okay. Here it is here. So you put it together, and here's the 2 cartridges. You guys have seen this before. And then what is this? Pillowy shave cream. Well, that's cool. Now I don't have to buy shave cream. Okay, so we got that. And then we have Boxycharm. All right, let's open her. What do we have? Vit C Brightening Cleanser by Rodial. All right, love me some cleansers, then I don't have to buy them. Next item is by Lucky Days Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm just gonna break the box. I can't be, oh, maybe I didn't. Huh, okay, here it is here. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's weird. Do you guys, oh, is it, oh, it's, okay, so it's marbly. At first I thought there was something wrong with it. Marbly. I guess it's supposed to be marbly, right? Yeah? I don't know. All right, let's try her. Ooh, she is like Barbie pink, man. Okay. Rub her in. She blends okay. Not perfect, but okay. All right, next we have Wing Me. I'm like, Winona? No idea. Sorry. Oh, it's a brow gel. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. It's a brow gel. I mean, okay. Next, by Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. Definitely not going to try this right now. What does it do? Can I help my hair from thinning? I don't know. I have no idea. Ooh, it smells like a hair product. Let's see. It's just like a little gel. I will have to figure out what it does. It doesn't have parabens in it. I like that. I'm guessing it says it clarifies, refreshes, and balances. So, I mean, it is important to have a healthy scalp. That is true. Okay. Oh, Natasha Denona, and look, she's busted. Yeah. This is a very warm palette. I mean, I'd have to get like a few shades tanner for this. I'm not going to open it because it's totally going to crush. Hopefully I'll get this in my paid box and then we can play around with it. But let me go ahead and recap what we have here. We have the Natasha Denona palette. Usually these are like worth $48. The pans are like huge. I'm kind of sad that came broken. Then we have the cleanser by Rodial. Then we have Lucky Chick, the lip and cheek multi-stick. Then we have a brow gel and a scalp nectar. That is everything. I can't say that, well, I am disappointed the one thing that is correct, but stuff happens. I don't know if I'll reach out to them or not. I usually don't when it's my PR box, to be honest with you. But overall, these are items I could use. I mean, I probably won't use this. The way, I probably won't use it. I'm just gonna be honest. The other stuff I will definitely try. I do like switching cleansers, so that works there. I mean, brow gel, why not? I mean, we use it sometimes, I guess. And then the scalp stuff, I mean, I don't know. I can give you updates if you want. But let me know what you guys think of the choices. What did you think for the choices for July? And what did you think of this box? Do you think that it's geared more towards summer? Let me know everything down in the comments. I can't wait to read them. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do love you guys so, so, so much. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Take a chance on this channel. I do all things beauty related, lifestyle, and I've got a lot of stuff coming up. All right, guys, I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.